Title: How to Make Faceless Content That Blows Up in 2025. Intro: Upbeat music plays. Voiceover: Want to start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Whether you're shy, value privacy, or just love the idea of content running on autopilot, faceless content is the future. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to make faceless videos that get views, subscribers, and income in 2025. Step 1. Pick your niche. Voiceover. First things first, choose a niche that works for faceless content. Here are some hot ones: AI tools and tech reviews, personal finance and side hustles, true crime and mystery, self-improvement and productivity travel guides, and virtual tours, tutorials and how-to videos. Pick something you love or something people are searching for. Ideally both. Step 2. Gather content. Voiceover. Next, you need footage and visuals, but don't worry, you don't have to film anything yourself. Here's what to use. Stock footage. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks have free and paid clips. Screen recordings, perfect for tutorials and tech reviews. AI-generated images. Use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E for custom visuals. Text animations, Canva and CapCut are great for this. Step 3. Create a voiceover. Voiceover. Don't like your voice? No problem. Here are some options: AI voice generators, ElevenLabs, Murph.ai, or Play.ht make realistic human-like voices. Text-to-speech, TTS. Free options like Google Text-to-Speech can work too. Hire a voice actor. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork can connect you with voiceover talent. Step 4. Edit your video. Voiceover. Editing ties everything together. Use software like CapCut, free and powerful, great for beginners. DaVinci Resolve, pro-level editing, totally free. Canva, fast, simple, and perfect for animated text and visuals. Tips for editing: keep scenes changing every 3 to 5 seconds to hold attention. Use background music that fits the vibe. Add captions. 85% of people watch on mute. Step 5. Monetize your content. Voiceover. Once you're rolling, it's time to make money. Here's how faceless creators earn. YouTube ad revenue. Hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours to qualify. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn commissions. Sponsorships. Brands will pay you to mention their products. Digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, or templates. Outro. Voiceover. And that's it. You're ready to create faceless content that stands out in 2025. Which niche are you diving into first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more content creation tips. See you next time. Outro music fades out. End screen suggestions. Next video: 5 best niches for faceless content in 2025. Subscribe for more content creation hacks.